Hello, my lovelies. I think it's time for another deep dive. You agree? Okay, so this one's going to be RokHerman. This guy I've been looking at for a while, to be honest. I've had him on my watch list and I've been keeping track of what he's been doing. So let's do a quick deep dive. I say quick because all the workings out that I show, it just drags on. So I'll put it up real quick and you can take a screenshot. You can look at all the previous deep dive videos. So let's go. So the first one is social, how many posts they do per month, how they interact with their audience. So he's got a pin post here 10 months ago. So don't really count that, 15 hours ago. So we're going to count from 1 to 10 within the last month. So how many posts he's done per month? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Let's see if there's any better ones. Month ago, 2 months ago. So 5 is going to do it. I mean, he is interacting with the comments as well, so it's not only like the posts. So hold on, let's go back to the top. 22 days ago, 20 days ago, a month ago. Let's have a look how interactive he is with the comments. He seems to reply to every comment. I have to bump that up by 2. I mean, it looks like he's replying to every comment, even though he's only posting 5 times a month, which is still a lot. I make the rules here. I make the rules. I'm gonna bump it from 5 to 7. Stats. Let's go. He is doing good, Jar. Portfolio quantity. How many assets? 50 assets, 10 out of 10. 43. So, I think it's a multiples of 5. Yeah. So 9. Risk management. Allocation size, 3% being best. 4.7, that's a multiples of 3. So 9. 9 for risk management. Jordan. Minus 24. That's not good. Multiples of 5. Yeah. It's going to have to be a 6. Now, affordability. I know for a fact that he can be copied with $200. So 10 out of 10. Synchronization, right? This is where things get a bit messy. Right, how many trades he's closed in the last 3 months. So we go to history, 3 months, 135. And then if he gets between a 6 and a 10, which he's got a 10 out of 10, move on to part 2. So yeah, 10. Highest value divided by invested. I mean, to be fair, he has just reworked his portfolio within the last month. Same with James Campion, who I'm also going to be doing a deep dive on. Interesting. Highest value divided by invested. So this shouldn't be too bad, this bit is what I'm trying to say. Yeah. So it's basically divisible by 1, then subtract 1. So yeah, 10 for the synchronization. So let's have a look at these numbers, even though they're just numbers, half pulled out of thin air. Let's have a look. So 7 for social. Good. 10 for stats. Obviously really good. 9 and 9 for portfolio quantity and risk management. 6 for drawdown. So that's one thing that could be just left desired, more desired. And 10s for the rest. So it's only really the social aspect or the lack of social aspect and the drawdown, which is bring in the mOth copy trade and deep dive patented score. It's not patented. Down. Social is not hugely important. It could be improved. Just a drawdown, but what can you do with the drawdown? He's not the only one in that position. So good scores, good scores. Let's just see if there's anything else I can look at in the portfolio wise. Let's go by invested. Yeah, so just keeping it all nice and tight. There's only a small invested number here, and it can be copyable with $200, which is the new minimum. Again, back to where it was in January. Some stocks, indices, crypto. Beautiful variation of colors on the logos. That's all I can really bring to the table for now. I mean, I can see that there's indices and crypto and stocks. I'm primarily like a graphic designer or visual type person at heart. So photos and oh god, that makes me sound so stupid. But I'll keep it in. I'll keep it in the video because that is who I am. Not stupid. Well, yeah, I'm all about the colors and the visuals. Obviously, I'm not stupid. I know that this is a trading website. So let's have a look at his previous stats. So 25% for this year, which is really good. Especially considering there's a huge dip here in February and then another little one here. So to stay 25 and only have a minus 2% loss. Fantastic. 333% in 2020. With only little reds. At least in comparison, if you just look at it like this, the bar. It's little red bars. A low risk ratio for that much. And then 2019 when he started, he got a big one there, but that's probably his first month. I'll let it slide. That's 73% for not even a year. 23% drawdown, 694 copiers, 2 to 5 million under management. You can tell I've not done this for a while. I'm doing everything backwards. Usually I read this first. So a medical student with great interest in investing in the economy in general. Level 3 certificate in wealth and investment management. Very nice. Invest mainly in stocks and companies focus on disruptive innovation. He's achieving diversification through cryptocurrencies due to the current monetary and fiscal policies, as well as gold and silver. So his goal is 10% every year. Posts his results there. Okay, let's have a quick look at the chart. So do NASDAQ and SPY. If I can remember how to do it. So obviously he got 333% last year, so he's obviously blown them out the water. Here's SPY and NASDAQ down here. Let's start from this year, where it's more, I don't know, realistic. So start here. That's more like it. Let's make you a bit wider. I mean, the other stats is obviously perfectly fine as well. It's legit information. Still blowing out the water. He's barely even touched it. Actually, why? Let me move over a little bit. There you go. Brilliant. Yeah, so RokHerman is someone that I've been looking at for a while, as I said, and someone that I will be copying with either $200 or most likely $250. So I've got someone else lined up that I want to add as well. I want 2 people at the same time. And then obviously, as the time goes on, add a bit more. So let's look back at these numbers again. Put it on the screen here, which is the mOth copy trading guide. So generally everything's pretty good. Except for the socials a little bit. Originally that was a 5, I bumped it up. So social and drawdown. Yeah. So yeah, we'll come back to you soon, Mr. RokHerman. And you'll be joining my team. That video will come out after the camper vans deep dive, which will come out shortly. And chances are that I'll be most likely adding both RokHerman and James Campion in the 3rd video after the 2 deep dives. Cool. Well, that does it for this video, for the RokHerman deep dive. Take care.